So this is a Keurig K iced, hot and cold. If you want to make it cold, I like how easy it is to use. So first, this is for the iced one, ice refresher. So you fill it with water, and then you place it in here. Once you close it, it's going to turn on here. And then if you want it iced, you would have your cup ready with ice. You would select here and then how many ounces. So I thought I was gonna be able to fit this one. Obviously I can't because this is 24 ounces. This one is like, you can also do this, but even so the other one wouldn't fit. So what I did instead is that I kept this one with ice, and then I used this cup to fill it up. Once the 12 ounces were filled up, it was actually up to here, so it was really not a lot. Keep in mind that this is pretty much 12 ounces. This is 24 ounces. So I was okay with it because I filled it with ice up to here. After I put the 12 ounces, because first it brews hot, and then it seems like the temperature, it does so that it extracts the most flavor. And then the temperature adjusts to get a little bit colder so that it's not so hot and it doesn't melt all of the ice. So once I brewed it here, I waited for a couple of minutes, then I transferred it to here. It was up to here. I tasted it. It was like too sweet to my taste. So I added about 10 more ounces of water. And after that, it is a little more watery, but I like it. You do not need to add any sugar, at least not to this one. I do like it, especially because I usually use the case lean, and I do the donut coffee every single morning. So I like that now I'm gonna have the choice to do the